Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check your licenses here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Checking Salesforce licenses is very important for understanding the number of available and used licenses for your organization, as well as managing user access. Because most of the time, Salesforce offers different types of licenses. For example, user licenses, feature licenses, or even permission set licenses. And each has a specific purposes. Now, here's how you can view your Salesforce licenses or license. I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the setup gear icon. Click on it and there's going to be the quick find. Here, all you have to do is type in company information. If you do that, what will happen is click this option and then I want you to hover to the bottom where it says user licenses. Okay, so you have total licenses 5 for Salesforce. For analytics cloud integration user, it's going to be 2. Chatter free is 5,000. Identity is going to be 100. Chatter external is around 500. Used licenses are 1. And of course, these are going to be the expiration date. The permission licenses are here. Okay. The permission set licenses are here. The feature licenses are here. And the down is going to be the usage-based entitlements. Now, regularly checking your Salesforce licenses helps maintain control over user access, like this one, budget, and compliance while optimizing the performance and functionality of your Salesforce environment. Of course, by staying informed about your licensing situation, you can make better decisions that support your organization's goals and ensure a smooth user experience. All right. So again, these are going to be your user licenses, which in my case, it's going to be expiring in a few days from now. All right. So if you are like me, you might want to check the user license help here if you wanted to get more information and to get data and insights. You can do the same thing in permission set licenses help. It will give you like a table of contents for you to read and understand. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.